Welcome to Daily News Vocabulary. Today is February 23, 2026. Malfeasance. Wrongdoing or misconduct, especially by a company or official.
For example, investigators suspected corporate malfeasance when transfers bypassed screening protocols.
Clandestine. Kept secret or done secretly, often to conceal illicit activity.
For example, clandestine wallets masked the beneficiaries of the transfers.
Adjudication. A formal legal judgment or decision on a disputed matter.
For example, the findings could lead to external adjudication of alleged violations.
Provenance. The origin or source of something, especially the record of ownership.
For example, analysts traced the provenance of funds through layered transactions.
Contravention. An action that violates a law, rule, or agreement.
For example, such activity appeared in contravention of international restrictions.
Compliance. The act of following rules, standards, or laws.
For example, internal compliance teams flagged anomalies for review.
Obfuscation. Deliberate making of something unclear or difficult to understand.
For example, obfuscation techniques complicated the audit trail.
Restitution. Compensation for loss or injury, restoration of what was taken.
For example, victims demanded restitution and stronger safeguards.
Accountability. Obligation to explain actions and accept responsibility for them.
For example, executives promised accountability amid growing scrutiny.
Jurisdiction. The legal authority to interpret and apply the law in a given area.
For example, unclear jurisdiction hindered coordinated enforcement.
Story time. Investigators uncovered malfeasance as clandestine transfers hid provenance. Compliance faltered. Obfuscation blurred ledgers and contravention of restrictions. Jurisdiction proved tangled, delaying adjudication. Demands for accountability grew, alongside calls for restitution to affected clients. Auditors mapped pathways, rebuilt controls, and warned that without transparency, governance collapses and trust deserts markets worldwide.